showing you where all the Bitcoin stashes are in construction. Alright, so first, right here, go to the entrance, right there. I need to fill cotton. Sorry, guys. Alright, next, take an impulse bomb. Oh, I'm not very good at them. Right here by the DJ stand. Next is in the trash can. Right here on this log. Next is in the sewers. Right here, it's a little button. You can see it right there. You can see it. It's the one where the ducks are facing backwards. If you can't find it, just look cautiously, each one until you see a button. Now, I obviously can't because, yeah. Alright, so that was number 3. Number 4. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, number 5. Climb up on the yellow crane. Whoa. Now this is hard. Go to the very end. There is a button. A secret button right there. Right there. So secret. It's not at the front where the engine thing is. It's right here to the right. So yeah. 5 Bitcoin. 5. Go get them.